Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the surprising idea that alien life could exist in the coldest, darkest parts of the universe, even far from any star's warmth. The search for alien life is mostly limited to the Goldilocks zone, that is, the distance from a star where liquid water and ample light could exist for life to thrive. However, a new study has raised questions about this theory. It states that even if a planet is far away from its host star, it could still support life. Scientists from New York University Abu Dhabi's Center for Astrophysics and Space Science state that cosmic rays can also carry enough energy to sustain life in a remote world. These rays are high-speed beams of particles that bounce from one point to another across the universe. They theorize that a process known as radiolysis can begin in bodies that are far away from their host star. When the cosmic rays reach a planet, they can penetrate deep inside and strike underground reservoirs of water, splitting the water particles. The study can change the definition of a habitable zone in different star systems. The subject of their experiments includes Mars, Saturnian moon Enceladus, and Jovian moon Europa. They carried out simulations to determine how exposure to different levels of cosmic rays could influence the surfaces of the three bodies. The moons were chosen because years of research have led scientists to believe that both of them contain water below their icy surface. The experiment aimed at understanding whether radiolysis could happen on these three bodies. They ended up with some promising results, especially with regard to Enceladus. The paper states that all three bodies could support some level of radiolysis, with the Saturnian moon emerging as the frontrunner. The revelation was published in a paper in the International Journal of Astrobiology. The team also gave a new name to this zone where life could possibly thrive, calling it the Radiolytic Habitable Zone. Following their analysis, the researchers believe the thinking behind the habitable zone should be altered. Lead author of the study, Dimitra Atri, said in a statement, "This discovery changes the way we think about where life might exist. Instead of looking only for warm planets with sunlight, we can now consider places that are cold and dark, as long as they have some water beneath the surface and are exposed to cosmic rays. Life might be able to survive in more places than we ever imagined." Astronomers across the world are constantly looking for habitable worlds in the universe. The latest candidate that is believed to be capable of hosting life is the exoplanet K2-18b, orbiting a small red star in the constellation Leo. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.